Hello friend, welcome back. From today onward, we will always cover one video at least for the JavaScript interview question, which will be helpful for you in whether you are learning a React Native, React.js, Node, or any other JavaScript related interviews. Okay, so let's start the video. In today video I will focus on one problem, which is a lead code problem, which is a valid palindrome. Okay, so what does mean by valid palindrome? It means that if you are writing let me open my this one. So it means that if you are typing something like m a a, okay, m a a, if you are reverse this word, okay, so what the reverse of this word, which will be ama, so it means that if you are reversing a word, even though it will be similar to the previous word, so that thing is called as palindrome. Okay, understood? Okay, so yeah, this is the actual issue which is provided by the lead code, which is a valid palindrome. So what the this question said, if you they just provide me a sentence, okay, we just have to return a true or false. Okay, so they have created a function, and then which as content. Okay, so this function contain means as contain this word, okay, this sentence, and we should have to return this one. And this told us like uh, we have to remove all the non-alphabetic character. Okay, it means that we have to remove the comma as well as this ratio. So if I copy this word and type it over, so it means that we have to first, so what will our approach? Okay, so I'm just trying to creating an approach. After that we will focus on the solution part. So you will see that there are total three two commas and three one ratio. It means that three special character. So actual characters will be look like this one: a man, a plan, a cancel, and pnm. So first we have to remove all the non-alphabetic character. After that we will combine all the word. Okay, so this is our first step. It should be our first should be our first step. After the first step we will move to the next step. In that, in what we will cover in this first step, we will remove the non alphabetic character. After removing the non alphabetic character, what we will do, we just trim it. Means it means that we will remove all the unnecessary spaces. So after removing all the unnecessary space, our word will be look like this: a man, a plan, a canal, penna. Okay, so if you and then, okay, so what we have done in this thing, yeah. So in that part we will remove all the space. Remove the space. This is our second step. Second step. This is our second step. After the second step, we will check, okay, whether it is after the reverse it will be the same or not. So what we will do, we just simply copy this one and check. Okay, so at the directly do the step. After that, what will we do? Check after reverse it is same or not. Okay, so these are the simple three approach we are covering in this lecture. So by covering this lecture, what you will learn, I will point this. What you will learn, what you will learn first, you learn how to split. You learn the split method. Okay, you will learn split. Then you also learn the join concept. Okay, also you learn the reverse concept, like how to split, how to join a string, how to reverse a string. Okay, also you also little bit knowledge about you will learn about the filter, and there is a character called as allow, include. Okay, so you will learn the include method also in this thing, or you will learn, I guess. Yeah, so I think these are the things we will cover. And yeah, one more thing, no, okay, so these five things we will learn in this thing, in this our today lecture. So let's start the problem. So instead of doing on this part, I will opening my JS compiler. You can open your any JS compiler. Okay, so according to that they are okay, so according to that problem, okay, I will share the link of that problem into our into the description box. You will just refer that one. So according to that, they are giving a function, and in that function that string will be coming. So I am simply creating a function. You can create any function which is either it is a arrow function or normal function. So it is a get check palindrome. Okay, which contain one parameter which is s, and then in check palindrome I will pass, copy this string and pass it over there, and then and console it the answer. Okay, now what according to our approach, what we want to do, we just have to remove firstly the special character. Okay, so by doing one by one, so how we can do our, how we can remove the special character. So first we know that in our characteristics we have only small a to z and capital A to Z and 1 to 9 only. So we will create a const which contain allow. let me write. So that allow contain only the character which is allow. Okay, so A B C D E F G H I J K L M O P Q R S T U V X Y Z. Same as for the capital. T U V W X Y and then Z, and from 1 to 9, and then 0. So these are the characters which is allowed according to my knowledge. Okay, and then we will filter it out. So as I told you, you will learn these three things. So yeah, so filter method will be there. So we will like copy this word. Okay, we can create remove special character. So remove special character via using filter. So filter method is only work in array. Okay, so what we will do, we just separate. Yeah, so we use three dot. It means that it will take like one character into the array and put it into the array. So that's why I use separator, only spread operator. Okay, so these all are converted into array. So I will do this thing. After that, what I have to do, I have to filter it out. Dot filter. So filter, what filter do? Filter just loop it into that array, and one by one we will check. Okay, so let first create it and then I will explain you. Now dot includes, and then include what? Include C, and then join. So you will see what I have done. Simply I just converted this string, this word into the array format. Okay, after that I just iterate it. Because of that iterate, it will convert it into the array, and then it store into there, and then I just do a filter method. So via this filter method we will get each element one by one and check whether it is are present in the allow. Okay, so suppose it is A, yeah, it means that it is present. You can see the question mark here, comma. This comma is not there in the allow, so it is not will be stored into the our remove special character. Okay, and this ratio is also not there, so it will also not include, so it will be remove. So if I print it out, and check what was the output. So you will see that, one second. Okay, Okay, so I'm copy this question and reload it, and if I run it again, okay, 1 second, let me figure out what is the actual issue. Spread filter, then a C operator, then arrow function, then allowed dot includes, and include means C, and then a join method, and then this one. After that we have done false. Let me recompile it again. I don't know why it is taking time. Let me try with the another compiler. Okay, instead of this we will check one by one. Let me comment this part first and check either it is coming or not, this error. Okay, still it is not coming. It means that there is some issues. Okay, why it is taking time? Okay, let's try the another compiler. Okay, so this compiler is working. Okay, so you will see that we have successfully removed the special character. Okay, also we have with the help of this join, if I added the space, you will see our space will be there. If I remove the space, so it remove the space and join it without the space. It means that we will cover two things according to our flow. We have removed the word, also remove the space. Now the also we have learned the filter, include, and join method. Okay, understood? Now the second step, like the third step we have to do, which is to check that it will be after reversing this word, it will be same or not. So how we will do this part? Let's see it. So we have this one, remove special character. I just copy this function. Okay, put it over there again, and now you have a question like why we are putting this one again. So as per our third, we have to check with our reverse order. So reverse method is only applicable in array method. So that is why we are putting reverse over there and do it over there. So I just give it the name reverse. If I console it, and check, so you will see a one error. Let's figure it out what is the error. Fill reverse is not a function. Okay, okay, so this error is occur because I have not added the function com bracket. Okay, so they are let me remove this one. So they are saying like it is not a function. Okay, so I just created a function and then run it. So after the reverse, this is our reverse part and this is our non-reverse part. We in on the output we will check it is like correct. Okay, but how we can get true or false with this? It is a very simple. We just have to return function, and in that return function we will just put first one and check with the help of double equal to. We do not use triple equal to, because if we use triple equal to, so it will check a strictly type. It will check the capital A with the small a. It means that it is very false. It is false because it is a capital and it is small. But in our scenario, we will not check the capital one. Okay, so that's why we are using two character, two single equal to. Now if I store the value, if I store the answer and console this answer, so you will see the actual answer. Okay, see, okay, strange. Okay, let me console it. Okay, no issue. This giving false, no issue. In the next parameter we will send a simple one, MAN okay. So as per our knowledge it will be same after the palindrome. If I run it, okay, one question mark, it is true. Okay, so we will so like this is the actual flow. Now we will check why this false is coming. So we will know the actual understanding of this question. The debugging is very important, so you should have to do debugging by it your own. EMANAPLANCNCPANMA. So okay, so let's see how we can do a small character. Okay, so in JavaScript there is a function called as to lowercase. Okay, so we will use this to lowercase function. Okay, don't know why it is this website is not working, but we will use this version to lowercase function, and you will see it is a camel casing. So I'm just writing the exact word, dot to lower case. Okay, same for this. Run it out. Now you will see it is successfully true. Why this strictly type is checking? I will cover this part in the next section. If you have a know about this section, you just comment it out why it is checking strictly if I am not using two lowercase. Okay, so it is your homework and the homework for me also. So thanks for watching this video. We will cover next topic in the next lecture.